After completing exercise 4.1, we are moving to the exercise 4.2. In case of practice set 4.2, first numerical is question number 1. Construct triangle XYZ. Construct triangle XYZ such that YZ is 7.4 centimeter. Angle XYZ is 45 degree and XY minus XZ is equal to 2.7 centimeter. In the first type of numerical, or you can say in 4.1, we have seen they have given addition of two sides. But now in this exercise, they have given subtraction of remaining two sides. In that case, how to draw structure, or you can say construction? First of all, I am going to draw here rough diagram, going to give you explanation. After that, I am going to draw main diagram. Please try to understand over here. So the first part, rough diagram. With the help of rough diagram, I am going to clear all the concept or content over here. Now whatever part we understand over here, we are going to explain over here. How? Please pay attention. No doubt it is a rough diagram. I am going to draw main diagram with dimensions over here. Construct triangle XYZ such that YZ is 7.4 centimeter. Let us say this is a rough diagram of triangle XYZ, and as per their condition YZ is 7.4 centimeter. Next, they have given angle XYZ as 45 degree. Means here your angle is of 45 degree. And next concept they have given XY minus XZ, XY minus XZ, XY minus XZ. It indicates that XY is larger in size and XZ is smaller in size. And XY minus XZ is 2.7 centimeter. Means XY, which is a larger, minus XZ, which is a smaller, is 2.7 centimeter. Difference between the length of two sides over here 2.7 centimeter. Already in previous numerical they are always giving addition of two sides. Here they have given subtraction of two sides. Now how to draw a part over here? A simple methodology. If they have given XY minus XZ as 2.7 centimeter, first of all you are going to draw a base YZ, that is your first step, of 7.4 centimeter. From point Y, you are going to draw angle of 45 degree over here, and you cannot get directly XYZ structure over here. You have to make a mark from XY minus XZ is 2.7 centimeter. XY minus XZ is 2.7 centimeter. Means from point Y, you have to find one mark over there, and let us say this respective point may be M, and this distance is 2.7 centimeter. Now here what exactly part is? If this distance of YM become 2.7 centimeter, naturally if I am going to reduce 2.5 from this side, automatically this XM and XZ become equal in length. These two sides become equal in length, and naturally we know that point on a perpendicular bisector is equidistant from end point. Means we are going to draw one line YZ or MZ. We are going to draw a perpendicular bisector on it, and definitely it passes from that point X. And in this way you are going to draw a diagram, means perpendicular bisector on this line. Now this is nothing but the tentative structure that I have shown you. I am going to show you actual diagram how to draw it. So please pay attention. Our first step, that we are going to draw YZ of length 7.4 centimeter. After that we are going to take angle Y with 45 degree, larger in length. After that from Y to M we are reaching up to a distance of 2.7 centimeter. After that we are going to join MZ over here. Next we are going to draw perpendicular bisector on it, by construction, and when this line we are drawn, it touches to this line somewhere over there, and that is our point X. And in this way we are going to complete this construction. So please pay attention on these steps. Now step by step explanation from rough diagram to main diagram. Once again I am going to read a question for you. Construct triangle XYZ such that YZ is 7.4 centimeter. I have already drawn one horizontal line YZ, and this distance is already 7.4 centimeter as per their construction. Angle XYZ is 45 degree. Means from Y we have to draw angle of 45 degree, and from here we are going to draw step by step part. So from Y we have to take an angle horizontal line reference with 45 degree, and the part is, so the part is, after going to draw this horizontal line, we are going to take an angle of 45 degree. So your part is, with the help of rounder we are going to take a part in terms of measurement and the compass for measurement of angle 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. So this is a particular point 45 with the reference of point in terms of a y, or you can say with the reference of horizontal line yz. After that I am going to draw a line passes from y and that respective 45 degree measurement point. And now here this coordinate point y become 45 degree. So here value in terms of angle y is 45 degree. Now from y we have to take a distance 2.7, and this is a new point we are going to generate over here, and the part is, here in case of a part from point y we have to take a point at distance 2.7 centimeter. So again in a rounder I am going to take a distance 2.7 centimeter over here, and the part is, from point y I am going to make a mark over here, and this is a new point I am going to call it as a m. Remember, distance from y to m or m to y, this distance is 2.7 centimeter. Now the next part is, we are going to join m with z or z with m. Remember, this point m is inside the diagram over here, but it is not an actual part over here. Somewhere x, y, z, this triangle will be like this. Now I have joined m, z over here, and now we have to draw perpendicular bisector of mz. We have to draw perpendicular bisector of this mz. Now how are you going to draw? Please pay attention. Now in this case, when you are going to draw a perpendicular bisector over here, from m and z, I am going to take a rounder over here and distance somehow more than half. So my first pointed head is over here, one arc at upstairs and second arc is at downstairs. Definitely there is some portion will be inside the diagram, and from z also one arc upstairs and second arc downstairs. Now in this way we have done two marking over here. Now the part here we have to draw one line passes from these 2 points, and it is supposed to touch somewhere over here in upper part. Let us say this is a line over here, and I am going to draw it by dotted structure. And in this way I have drawn this new line over here. Now this is your main point which is required over here, and now we are going to indicate it by point x. And now you have to join x with z or z with x. So I am going to join it. And in this way your triangle XYZ is get completed, where your distance of YZ is 7.4 centimeter, angle XYZ is 45 degree, and you can say that XY minus XZ, that is 2.7 centimeter, because now here XM equal to XZ, as this line is perpendicular bisector. Remember, this line what we drawn by red line, it is nothing but a perpendicular bisector over here. And in this way you are going to draw your actual triangle XYZ. Student, take a proper precautions and pick a proper marking when you are going to complete such a kind of a diagram. Just it is a perpendicular bisector, so I have drawn it by dotted line, else you can draw it as a continuous line. And in this way we can complete our first question. Here remember one part, Whenever they are giving you a subtraction of a two side, means larger side minus smaller side. In this way, you have to always make a marking in such a manner that subtraction will become along on this line, and after that our respective structure going to join the line and perpendicular bisector. With the help of that you are getting the point so called as X. It is applicable for all the time, so please pay attention. Moving to the second question of practice set 4.2. Now please observe question number 2, and the part is question number 2. Construct a triangle PQR. Construct a triangle PQR such that QR is 6.5 centimeter. Means base is 6.5 centimeter. Angle PQR is 40 degree. Angle PQR is 40 degree. And PQ minus PR is 2.5 centimeter. PQ minus PR is 2.5 centimeter. Now first of all I am going to draw a rough diagram, and after rough diagram I am going to show you the tentative or mean structure in terms of a part. So first of all I am going to draw a rough diagram and then actual diagram. So please pay attention. Now pay attention over here. I have drawn rough diagram for your understanding. Construct triangle PQR such that QR is 6.5 centimeter. Means let us say this is a rough diagram of PQR where its base QR is 6.5 centimeter. After that they have given angle PQR as 40 degree. So naturally angle PQR as 40 degree, and they have given PQ minus PR is 2.5 centimeter. PQ minus PR is 2.5. It itself indicates that PQ is larger in length and PR is smaller in length. In this case, when you are going to apply a part after angle 40 degree, they have given PQ minus PR as 2.5 centimeter. So PQ is larger, PR is smaller, and the difference between them is 2.5 centimeter. Means from point Q, you have to make a mark on a respective point. Let us say again I am going to call it as a T. This Q to T, this distance is over here 2.5 centimeter. Means first of all I am going to draw QR of 6.5 centimeter. After that from Q I am going to draw angle of 40 degree with extended portion of a line. Next from Q I am going to take a point T at a distance 2.5 centimeter. And I want to identify the point P. For that part, here I am going to join T with R or R with T. Initially they have given PQ minus PR as 2.5, that I have indicated over here. Naturally geometrically made PT and PR equal in length, and definitely every point which is equidistant from end point must lie on perpendicular bisector. So naturally on TR I am going to draw one perpendicular bisector. I am going to draw one perpendicular bisector, and definitely this line must touches your original line passing from Q, that is a point P. And in this way we are going to draw main construction. So please, with the help of reference diagram we are entering into the main diagram. Observe it properly. So our first target is to draw QR of a base 6.5 centimeter, and after that angle Q with 40 degree. And I am going to start the main pattern over here. Now as per the requirement, we have drawn first QR of length 6.5 centimeter. We have drawn QR of length 6.5 centimeter. Now after going to draw QR, our second intention that we have to draw a ray or a line which makes an angle of 40 degree. So completing that part over here, and the part is we are going to take over here compass, and with the help of that we are going to take an angle of 40 degree. So 10, 20, 30, 40. This is the indication point over here, and we have to draw angle of 40 degree over here. So I am going to complete a scale structure. So we have drawn one line which makes an angle of 40 degree over here. So from point Q, this angle is of 40 degree as per their given data. Now from Q, we have to take a point T at a distance 2.5 centimeter. So again, we have to take a point from Q at a distance 2.5 centimeter. So from point Q distance 2.5 centimeter. So from point Q at a distance 2.5 centimeter, we have highlighted this point as a T, and this distance is 2.5 centimeter. Now your construction part will be start over here. From T to R, I am going to draw one segment over here, and now my main construction will be start over here. When you are going to join TR, you have to draw one perpendicular bisector. We have to draw a perpendicular bisector on TR. It touches a upper segment somewhere over here, and that is nothing but our required point called as a P. Means here on TR we have to draw perpendicular bisector. So the part is here. Again, with the help of rounder, take a distance more than half, and your first pointed here at T and next to R. So starting from T, so your first marking from point D, one mark upstairs, second mark downstairs. Now taking from point R, so from point R, one mark upstairs, second mark downstairs, and in this way your marking is going to get complete. After that, we have to draw one line which is nothing but a perpendicular bisector over here. Now in this way, as you are drawn here perpendicular bisector to this part, you are getting a new point over here indicating this point as a P. Now you have to join this P with R. You have to join P with this R. So if you want to join P with R, and in this way your triangle PQR is ready, where base QR is 6.5 centimeter. Angle PQR is 40 degree, and you can say that now PQ minus PR is equal to 2.5 centimeter, and in this way your triangle PQR is your main diagram. Student, during drawing please take a precautions and draw it very systematically. Now please pay attention. Practice set 4.2, question number 3, and the part is construct triangle ABC such that BC is equal to 6 centimeter, angle ABC is equal to 100 degree, and AC minus AB is equal to 2.5 centimeter. AC minus AB is equal to 2.5 centimeter. It itself indicates that AC is larger in length or AB is smaller in length, and AC minus AB is 2.5 centimeter. Let us say I am going to draw a rough diagram in front of you so that you can easily understand the part. And the part is, let us say I have drawn a rough diagram in front of you. So that we can understand its pictorial point of view. This is a triangle ABC over here. As per their condition, base BC is 6 centimeter. Base BC is 6 centimeter. Angle ABC is 100. Angle ABC is 100. So it's a 100 degree over here. And they have given AC minus AB is 2.5 centimeter. AC minus AB is 2.5. If AC minus AB is 2.5, then remember AC is larger in length and AB is smaller in length. And we have to take AC minus AB as a difference. Here there is a little bit one problem. It is somehow typical problem, so please try to understand. You know the value of angle B over here, but we don't know value of angle C. Reason behind is that we don't know the value of angle A. We know only one angle, that is angle B, 100 degree. They have given base BC as a 6 centimeter, and difference between AC minus AB, that is 2.5 centimeter. So in this case we have to make a proper modification, and that part is, from this rough diagram we are going to make some structure modification or construction. You have to draw first base BC of 6 centimeter. Then you have to draw a ray or line making an angle of 100 degree at B. Now you don't know the difference of AC minus AB. At the same time, we don't know the value of angle B. You have to extend this line in downward direction, and we have to take some point, let us say T over here. And now distance between B and C, the distance between B and C, this distance between B and T, this distance BT, that we have to take over here as a 2.5 centimeter. So this is a gap over here we have to take. After that, we have to join T with C. We have to join T with C. And now we have to draw a perpendicular bisector on this line. We have to draw perpendicular bisector on this line. And automatically this line will get joined over here to this extended portion of B, and that will be point A. And in this way, we are going to complete a construction. This is a rough diagram over here. I am going to draw actual diagram in front of you, so please pay attention. Two steps you should remember. First, base BC, that is of 6 centimeter, and angle at B is of 100 degree. And in this way, we are going to start a construction. Now first of all, we have drawn base BC of length 6 centimeter. Now your second target is from point B, you have to take an angle of 100 degree. So here the part is, from point B, we have to take an angle measurement of 100 degree as per given question. So the part is up to 10, 20, up to 90, and next to 90, that is 100 degree, which is over here. And now we have to draw one ray which is moving in upward direction with an angle B as 100 degree. And in this way, we have drawn one ray which is moving in upward direction, or a segment which is moving in upward direction. At the same time, small portion I am going to draw at a downstair, and that is of length 2.5 centimeter, because we know that BT is 2.5 centimeter. So the part is, here we have drawn one extended portion over here, and we have to take a distance from B to that point, and that is 2.5 centimeter. So from point B up to say point T, that is a 2.5 centimeter. So I am going to take a distance over here, and that is 2.5 centimeter. So from B to that part, this T, and that distance is 2.5 centimeter. Remember, this BT is not a part of your respective triangle ABC, it is somewhere outside. So taking to the next part, and the part is, here we are going to join this point T with C over here. That we have drawn. Now TC is one segment, and we have to draw a perpendicular bisector over here. It will be touch this original segment which is drawn from B, where our angle at B is 100 degree. Perpendicular bisector on CT is over here, and it is going to touch your original line somewhere, and that is a point A over here. So we are going to start a process for that. And the part is, here you have to draw perpendicular bisector on TC. So that part is, take a distance more than half of TC, taking first pointed head at T, and the part is one arc upstairs, second arc downstairs. In the same way, from point C, one arc upstairs, second arc downstairs. And now we have to draw one line passing from these 2 points. So your respective line is, it is going to touch somewhere over here. And now you are going to join with this part over here. And that is your respective point A. And in this way we can complete triangle ABC. ABC. No doubt it takes more height over here. So sometime in books this angle is going to get reduced. But as per 100 degree, this is your triangle ABC over here. During drawing on notebook, take a proper precaution that you can draw the diagram properly.